Welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a couple months since I last recorded anything, about 4, but I've been keeping busy with personal things and also just this stuff. If you guys follow my Instagram and my Facebook account, you will see that I have posted a couple times, little stuff here and there that I've done, but nothing too big, and I haven't had the time to record any of the stuff I do. Because it's gotta be quick when I do it. But this is just like a quick little update video for you guys about what's going on. Yesterday I did this with the table. I got a sheet of metal for the whole top. It's 16 gauge, just raw iron. It makes a world of difference. The table looks so much nicer now, and it'll be easier to keep clean and easier to weld stuff on. I got just a bunch of stuff. I do have a little project I want to show you guys, so I gotta go outside real quick, but let me show you what the new project is. Okay, so this is my 95 Civic EG that I got off of a buddy, just the shell. So, not a whole lot in here. Just random junk in here right now that I gotta clean out. But no motor or transmission. It's just a roller. It's a little beat up, but I got it really cheap. So what this is gonna be, guys, is, and I gotta fix that because, that's not supposed to be like that. But this is going to be my K-Swap project. I have the K-Series in the garage there. I'll show that to you guys in a minute. And I'll show you the parts that I've been collecting for it. But for now, nothing in there. But this is my project that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying to do a budget K-Swap. Not totally budget, but, kind of a budget K-Swap. And then there's another EG under here that is a friend of mine's. We're going to be doing a really cool build on that. I'm going to be doing a series on that. I'll show you guys then. But he's got to get the parts together. And then the Fiero 2, hopefully going to be painting that soon coming up. But let me show you the case stuff in the garage. Okay, so I got a bottom end down there. I don't know if I ever did a video on that, but that's a K24A1 bottom end I got out of my CRV that I had. And I do not have the head for that anymore, but right there is my K20A2 head off of a RSX Type S. I have just the head off of that. And then underneath there is another block. That's a K24A4 block. That's probably what I'm going to throw in that car. In the Civic, I'm going to do the A4 block with the A2 head and, the Frankenstein setup, do that. Got the intake manifold, other odds and ends that I have. But my plan is for an NAK series, and I'm going to attempt to make... Someone's doing a pool. I'm going to attempt to make like 250 NA, which should be pretty achievable with the setup I'm going with. And like I said, I'm going to do a whole video on that, or a whole series on that. We're going to gut it. I want to get Lexan windows for it, make it, real light. I got my tube bender. It's not an amazing one, but it'll do. I got some tubing. I'm going to try and make a cage for it and stuff. But basically, just like a budget K-Series build that I'm going to be trying to do. I got some stuff up here for it. I got the K-Swap mounts. I got lower control arms, the camber arms. I got a shifter. I got some other odds and ends for it. It's going to need a lot. I still got to get like the transmission, computer, that sort of thing. But once I get the motor together and I get a transmission, you know, I can put the tranny and the motor in the car, then get axles, then get the wiring harness, computer, so on and so on, you know, get all that done. But that's pretty much the upcoming projects that I have for now, guys. I'm going to make a video on the purge block, like how to build it and stuff. So if you guys want to do your own at home, real simple, show you how to do it, show you how much it costs, pretty simple stuff. So that way you guys can do it at home and you don't got to spend like some of these purge blocks they want, you know, like they're good ones, but a couple $100, $300-$400 for a block. Like you make that one for easily under $100. I think this block was 40, and then the V-band I think was about 30. You know, plugs or the little fittings that you can get, a couple bucks at the hardware store. So you probably make it for about, give or take, $80 maybe. You know, definitely under 100. But once I get everything totaled out in that video, you know, I'll give you guys a total in the video and stuff like that, and I'll link everything in the description. But that was just a quick little update I wanted to give you guys. I also got a new bike, so maybe I'll do a video on that. We'll see. I just got white walls for it and a new front end. I got the sissy bar and stuff on it, so got a bunch of stuff I did with it. But that's gonna be it for now. Hopefully by next week I'll have or maybe even today, I'll have the purge block video all finished up for you guys. And then real soon here, hopefully start making progress on some of the other projects and making videos for you guys. I'm gonna try and put out some more. I also saw I'm at 45 subscribers right now, which is awesome. Thank you guys so much. Goal by the end of the year would be awesome to hit like 500. That'd be nice. But you got to make content to get people. I'm a little slacking on that a little bit, but hopefully here shortly, you know, I can start putting out some good content for you guys and stuff. But that'll be it for now. Hopefully I'll have the other video out soon for you guys, but take care until next time.